He gave His only begotten Son. For God so loved, that's why He gave. For God so loved, He self-sacrificed. For God so loved, there was a bloody cross on behalf of guilty sinners. My dear friends, the Gospel describes the Son as the groom, and the Church is described as His bride. The Son expresses love for His bride in self-sacrifice, absolute self-sacrifice to the uttermost, love that knows no end, love that goes to a cross and is resurrected. The Church expresses her love for the one that gives everything for her. The bride joyfully submits to her loving head, acknowledging Him as her leader and following gladly where He leads. This is the marriage to which all other marriages are to point. This is the marriage to which your marriage, Ryan J. and Marilyn, to point. Ryan J., I want to say today, this is your bride. As her father walked away moments ago, that was no more formality. It was not just simply symbolic. Something is changing here today. You have